Hi there, this is Corey. I'm at Porsche Colorado Springs, and behind me I've got one heck of a GT3 RS. This is a 2023 tribute to Carrera RS. Let's take a closer look. Okay, here she is, and of course the wind decides to pick up right as I decide to film. 2023 911 GT3 RS in white with the tribute to Carrera RS package. What a cool looking car. Fantastic color scheme. This is one of just 150 units with the Carrera tribute to Carrera RS package. They only came to the USA. That's why when you look on the wing here, you see the US flag with the RS logo. It is a Weissach package car, meaning it's going to have the exposed carbon fiber hood, the carbon fiber roof, and the carbon fiber GT wing, which is the adjustable swan neck with the DRS system. It's going to have these beautiful green forged magnesium alloy wheels with 20 and 21 inch diameter with Pirelli P0 Corsa summer tires, performance tires, Porsche ceramic composite brakes with the black calipers. This particular car comes to us with fewer than 60 miles on the odometer, so it is as new. In fact, it actually came to us with 45 miles, but one of our lucky technicians got to put a few on for the pre-delivery inspection drive. We do have it fully up to date on maintenance. It seems kind of sad doing some of the maintenance items on a car that has so few miles, but it is what it is. In order for us to offer it as a certified pre-owned, that's the game. So got contrasting green mirror caps, these beautiful GT3 RS decals on the sides. Let's see, what can I tell you if it has? Yes, we've got paint protection film on the nose of the car. Trying to see if there's any additional. I believe beyond that there is just the factory paint protection film. Tricky situation with a car like this, because are you actually going to drive it or not? If you are going to drive it, I would probably go for a full body paint protection film when you're spending this much money, but it does have the factory PPF here in addition. But yeah, the car is as new, no blemishes to speak of. It is absolutely stunning. Exclusive design taillights, the clear taillights with a third brake lamp, black Porsche logo, green GT3 RS on the bumper. There's our exhaust with the diffuser. Let's have a look at the interior. Now, I'm probably going to miss an option or three on the spec sheet here, but I'm doing my best. Got that contrasting green stitching with the leather and race text trimmed interior, matte carbon fiber inlays. I love this dual layer race text door panel insert, lightweight carbon fiber door handle, this nice matte carbon fiber sill plate here that says tribute to Carrera RS in the original script from the 1973 car. Super, super cool. Got these lightweight carbon buckets in black with the green Weissach RS and the green contrast stitching in that same pattern with the race text synthetic suede in the middle. Race text lining the dashboard. We hop in here with more of that green stitch. Here's our sport chrono clock with the dial in gray that matches the tachometer with that 9,000 RPM red line. Here's your odometer, 58 miles. One of the details that I love about the GT3 RS is this race car-like steering wheel. You've got these really satisfying mechanical sounding paddles that allow you to shift up and down. Then you have all your controls for your lap timer, your DRS, your suspension, your torque vectoring, stability and traction control, and your drive mode selector. So all of that right at your fingertips. This one is outfitted with the front axle lift. There's the little GT3 RS logo there, and more race text on the shifter and shift boot with the green stitch, and more matte carbon. Then we've got the cool RS logo. Oh, this is the first time I've seen that, actually. I haven't seen it on any of the GT3 RSs, so that must be specific to this tribute to Carrera RS car. And then last but not least, of course, as to be expected, but Race Tech's headliner. Love it, love it, love it. Let's take a quick peek at the window label since I have it here laminated. Oops, I'll try to get it in the, so you can actually see it. So we have the leather Race Tech's interior, the Weissach package, the PCCB with calipers in high gloss black, front axle lift system, deviated stitching interior package, LED matrix design headlights in black with the PDLS Plus, exclusive design taillights, Bose surround sound, tribute to Carrera RS custom tailoring, and a few other options. Tribute to Carrera RS accessory package. So original sticker on this car, $337,920. It is POA, if you know what that means. POI, if you're in Europe, I guess they call it, but anyway. Oh, and one more final really fun detail. Of course, all of the GT3 RS cars come with the RS logo here on the key, but I just adore this matching white painted key with the green stripe going across. That's just really, really cool. All right, once more, that's our 2023 911 GT3 RS with the Tribute to Carrera RS package. What a tremendous car. If you're interested in learning more about it, please give me a call. My direct line is area code 719-219-5015. Please like the video, leave a comment below, and consider subscribing for more sports car content from Cars and Corey, and thank you for watching.